Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you on how to crochet bean stitch. This is the front and this is the other side. This is a beautiful stitch and gives a nice texture. Let's get started. Make a slip knot. And make a foundation chain in any even numbers. I'm going to make 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Once we have the chain made, start on the second chain from the hook, that's this one here. Turn to the back, single crochet into the little bump on the back. Single crochet, single crochet. On this round, place a single crochet across. At the end of the round, one chain and turn. On the first stitch, place a single crochet. Skip one, bean stitch. Insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert into the same stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, and insert into the same stitch one more time, pull up a loop. Now that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 loops, yarn over and pull through 6 loops, one chain. That's a bean stitch. Skip the next stitch, bean stitch. Insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert into the same stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert into the same stitch again, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through 6 loops, one chain. Skip one, bean stitch. Insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert, and pull up the loop, yarn over, and pull through 6 loops, one chain. And this is a repeat for this round, and I'll meet you at the end of the round. At the end of the round, I have 2 stitches left. Skip one. On the last stitch, place a single crochet. And this round is complete. To begin the next round, one chain and turn. In the first stitch, place a single crochet. Skip the next stitch on this stitch here, which is the side of the bean stitch. In this space, place a bean stitch. Insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert, pull up a loop, and pull through 6 loops, one chain. Skip, bean stitch. So on this round, we're placing a bean stitch all the way across. And I meet you at the end of the round. At the end of the round, on the last stitch, place a single crochet. To begin the next round, 1 chain and turn. Place a single crochet into the first stitch. Skip the next stitch. On this stitch here, place a bean stitch in the space next to the bean stitch. Place a bean stitch in the space next to the bean stitch. And this is a repeat. It's pretty simple. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!